Hello, the global blockchain fans. I'm a blockchain researcher from Russia. My name is Molly. Welcome to my broadcast. Recently, I discovered a civilization which is more than 2,000 years ago. At that time, human wisdom reached its peak, advocating freedom and pursuing perfection. It was a society that inherited wisdom. The vision of the project is to indulge the public and use intelligent technology algorithm to provide happy, free, and autonomous, democratic, and trusting society for humankind. As we all know, mastering the core technology of the future can have very great competitiveness. ATIS's core technology is very powerful, including multi-development language SDK toolbox, one-click generation of contract assets, which can provide on-chain customization, multi-layer chip processor, 1 million 1 second efficiency for commercial applications, anti-quantum physical intelligent algorithm to make the entire node network secure. ATIS's perfect gig economy system allows each ecological co-builder to realize the value, and it can bring real application empowerment to the business to penetrate the essence of value growth. Atlantis submitted a questionnaire that is infinitely close to sustainable operation. ATIS Infinite Loop truly realizing in economics of blockchain automatic operation. On the other hand, relying on the advanced commercial structure, it provides system participants with the ability to continuously add value and increase the number of ecological co-builders. On the other hand, by relying on strong underlying technology to provide an excellent development environment for ecological co-builders. All of this is built on completely decentralized deflationary economic system. ATIS will continue to reduce the total distraction in accordance with the rules. Daily mining output will be constantly and the difficulty will continue to increase, but the number of ecological users and demand for ATIS transaction will continue to increase. The actual demand growth rate will always be greater than the constant ATIS release rate, so that the value of currency holdings continues to grow, thereby achieving a healthy development in a balanced state and rebuilding the more civilized society of Atlantis. If we want to get ATIS, we need to use USDT for energy gathering. Starting from the first layer, USDT has multiplier of 10 times and gradually reduces the multiplier. The price of the energy gathering phase is anchored at 0.618 USDT, and the number of energy gathering ATIS per layer is 1,618. The sooner you participate, the higher the multiplier of USDT involved in the energy gathering, and the more you get ATIS. With the increase of the number of participating economies, the theorem of the circulation and consumption of ecological applications and the theorem of supply and demand, the value of ATIS will increase and increase in the near future. And the market value will reach 1-to-1. I call this ATIS accumulated value fluctuation system. To participate in the promotion of the platform, you must first activate the aid of the platform. AID is a digital identity of ecosystem. Activation requires 10 ATIS, of which 5 are directly obtained by the inviter, and the inviter gets 0.5 of the 9 level of aids. Each aid has 10 level invitation consensus tower. The larger consensus tower, the more ATIS is rewarded. After obtaining ATIS, consensus mining is started. Consensus mining includes its own deposit computing power and duration computing power. Promotion users under the consensus tower will receive invitation computing power and matrix computing power. The weight ratio of the total computing power obtained by individuals to the computing power of the entire network is the number of personal rewards produced by ATIS. Cross-chain transactions and wallets are the entrance to ecological traffic, which gathering talents and building an ecosystem. ATIS will successfully build the most secure, convenient, and efficient decentralized exchange. In the near future, it will carry hundreds of millions of accounts for highly frequency transactions, and transactions will consume ATIS, forming an ecological balanced development. The entire network of chain merchants and on-chain payments will become a cross-border chain merchant service platform that opens up online and offline multi-currency cross-border payments. This is a disruptive on-chain Amazon. AI advertising, distributed cloud disks, anonymous social networking, value insurance, entertainment quiz, mortgage loans, and etc. are all built in application ecosystem. I think the return of ATIS season is a great design, giving USDT of the energy pool to ecological contributors. The invitation competition will give back all the energy-intensive USDT to invite market leaders with outstanding performance and continuously promote ecological development. Lucky Insurance 101 give participants double protection, which is a great project. ATIS has a philosophical thinking of simplifying complexity. Using this simplest mechanism to achieve the best results, making replication extremely simple, variable fusion is more explosive, and the regional mechanism is very different from the general project. For ordinary artworks, ATIS is as mysterious as Mona Lisa and has the digital gold value of BTS. Compared with the ETH, it has more decentralized and intelligent technical indicators. I believe that ATIS can achieve 100 million fans worldwide by 2022. I don't want to miss this huge opportunity. The purpose of ATIS is to push the human civilization to peak of the contract civilizations to the blockchain. This is a long journey in the process of achieving great goals. We must allow all believers to get due returns and let business value move more. Great social value. Together write a grand praise of the magnificent Atlantis ideal society. Everyone here is the owner of private wealth, and everyone can obtain the supreme freedom of personality and work together to create financial freedom. Are you ready? Let me realize the dream of unlimited wealth grows through ATIS. Recently, ATIS Eco Wallet will launch an appointment-based node miner activity. This activity is laid to consensus foundation for ATIS to develop into a mainstream asset. When 5,000 USDT is activated, you can get 5,500 energy gathering quotas, decreasing 5 USDT quotas. Every day means that the sooner you participate, the more quota. After activation, there are daily airdrop rewards, and promotional appointments will get more rewards. I think this is an important step to build ATIS' huge size and deepen consensus. The key to building ATIS as a mainstream digital currency is the consensus and size of ATIS. Every time ATIS is steadily on the way to build a consensus ecosystem, ATIS will have a trillion market value. This is a great opportunity for wealth, and I hope you will seize it. Thank you all. Today, my live broadcast ends here. Thank you all for your listening, and we will meet again next time. Stay safe.